Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. So I'm going to go over how to use the new Tekmatix Claude MCP integration. So MCP just means that you're allowing Claude to help you either control, you're creating things with Claude or overwriting things like whether you're sending emails or creating social posts or reviewing it. So you can review how many contacts you have inside of your Tekmatix account or how many workflows and the contacts that are inside of those workflows inside of Tekmatix. We're just going to go over how you would go about connecting those things. So first you actually want to start in your Claude account and you want to select the profile icon right here, select settings, go to connectors, and then we're going to add a custom connector. We're just going to go ahead and name this Tekmatix, but you can name it really whatever you want. This is not the important step. The important step is here. We're going to be putting the remote MCP server URL in. So we're going to be putting this URL in. I'll make sure to also put this inside of the comments so you can copy and paste it directly, but you're going to do this URL exactly, https://leadconnectorhq.com/mcp/anthropic/v2. So now we're just going to go ahead and select add. And it's going to give us this little lead connector icon saying that this is not connected yet. So we're just going to go ahead and select connect. And it's going to redirect. From here, we're just going to go ahead and install this onto our Tekmatix account. And now the system's going to go ahead and ask us to log in using our Tekmatix login. All right, so now I'm all logged into my sub account inside of Tekmatix, and we're just going to go ahead and select install, and then we're going to proceed to install. It's saying that this is a private app that will be installed on your Tekmatix account, and we're going to give it permission. So here, right now, it is defaulting to it's giving permission to everything. So of course we don't want to give it permission to everything because that means that Claude can go in and create new users, delete users, or anything like that. I definitely will recommend always keeping this off. And then also being careful with the payments. We don't want it to necessarily be like writing payments or doing integrations or anything like that, or even creating and updating coupons or messing with like our payment providers, because those can really hurt our Tekmatix account. Some things that I do like to give it permission for is the social planner. So I will maybe keep this. I don't really want to do that. Attach accounts, or which was the other one? Disconnect social accounts. So I'm going to turn off these two, but the other ones we can go ahead and create and update social planner posts, view connected accounts, upload and update and delete CSV posts and things of that such, and then just go through and toggle all of these on and off as you'd like. The other thing that we want to be careful about is with the AI. So either you're using conversation AI Agent Studio. So this is where you can build websites and other apps inside of your Tekmatix. Conversation AI references any kind of text-based conversations that AI agents can do. You don't want to necessarily use Claude to create and manage these because these are all pay per use things. So Claude may do things that you don't necessarily want it to do without realizing it whenever you give it permission. So we also want to limit the AI. So just be careful with these as they are the writing part of it. If you're not using voice AI, conversation AI, or anything, then you can just toggle all of these off. But now that I have everything pretty good and set up where I want it to, I'm just going to select allow and install. Now it is inside Claude telling me that I am connected to Tekmatix, which is great. So now what I'm going to ask it to do is just give it a little bit of a prompt. So I just asked it like how many accounts or how many contacts do I have in my account and how many workflows do I have, just something really basic. And it's going to go through and do its thing. Okay, so now I just had it go in and say, here's the information that we grabbed from the Claude account. And it says that I have 6,000 contacts, which is great, and 295 total workflows, 260 are in draft, and giving me some things about there's auto-generated drafts and other things being in publish. So that is all good and reviewed. And then now that we have this downloaded, what we can do is go into our Tekmatix account and go into the app marketplace. And now we're going to check installed apps, and we're going to see LC, MCP, Anthropic downloaded by me at today, 10:02 p.m. So that means that it is good and it is active and it is all set and ready to go. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to support@tekmatix.com and we will be happy to help.